Hey there, welcome to Fresh. I'm Sarah and this is
Mia
and today we're going to be making
of toast.
avocado toast.
I did.
First up, we are going to make our toast slices by taking 1 pound of sweet potatoes and cutting them down into roughly half-inch slices, give or take, depending on your preference. And then we are also going to either cook or just cut up your salmon that you're going to be putting on top. I threw mine on the grill with some everything bagel seasoning on top. For our avocado mixture, I did 2 avocados mashed together, a tablespoon of chili seeds as a hot sauce, which is optional, and then 2 tablespoons of everything bagel mix. And then for our tomato salad, it is 1 clove of shallot chopped up, 2 cups of tomatoes. I use cherry tomatoes and just slice them in half. You could also dice whole tomatoes if you would like. 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And then you can layer all of that on top of each other. I did sweet potato, avocado, the salmon, and then the tomato mix on the side. You could also put it on top. And then I also had added some arugula. Go ahead and let me know in the comments what your favorite way to cook salmon is, and also what your favorite topping for avocado toast is. Look forward to talking to you soon.